Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from BTACA Videos, and I'm here for part 2 of my video from Bristol Temple Meads. Is 153373 on the front, which will be forming a service to Cardiff Central from Taunton. Over there is 43164, which is a front power car on a service to London Paddington later, and just over there is 158, I think 9 something or other. I'll have to double check that, but anyway, no, not really any introduction, because I didn't do an outro in part 1, so let's just get started, shall we, here in part 2 at Bristol Temple Meads. The first train in part 2 is 153373. And 15246, which is forming the 1321 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Taunton, which I saw earlier in part 1, I believe, or was it at Filton Abbey Wood? I believe it was in part 1. Next to leave is Portsmouth Harbour service on platform 11. So we'll see that go out shortly. Well, as soon as I ended the previous clip, the Portsmouth Harbour service was in the process of departing. 158, is a class 158, and I believe it's 158958. Also coming in is 150129, which is forming a service to Weston-super-Mare from Bristol Parkway.
This is the service from Plymouth.
And we're expecting a cross-country service from Plymouth to Dundee to come in on platform 3 shortly, and we'll see it when it does come in any moment, in any moment. Right, coming in here is a service to Dundee, 221140. Which will be forming the service to Dundee, and departing now from platform 8 is a service from Bristol Parkway to Weston-super-Mare. Off it goes to Weston-super-Mare. Next stop for that, Bedminster. Coming in now is another 221, which will be joining up to 221140, and will be forming a 10 carriage service to Dundee. It's 221140 here on the front of the two, of what would be the two 221s, and coming in here is the other one. Shortly they will be coupling up. For it to be a 10 carriage service rather than 2 5 carriage services. So any moment now they'll be coupling up. Here comes in the second of the 221s. It's 221 134. And there they are, coupled up. Shot 221 140 and 221 134. Shortly heading off to Dundee. Right, departing now is 221 140 on the front. That's 221 140 on the front and 221 134 on the rear. Coming back is 150 131 and 158 766 with a service to Frome. Oh, that I can't remember if I saw that in part 1 or at Filton Abbey Wood this morning. Either way, it's 150 131 and 158 766 off to Frome, and we'll see that departing out shortly. Coming in now is a cross-country Super Voyager to Plymouth. No, just a Voyager 220-011 off to Plymouth. Off it goes, and we'll see that departing out shortly as well. Just a couple of things to say before the Bristol Parkway service comes in, which should be 153 305 and 153 318. 220-011 here, which is from Plymouth. This is a service from Glasgow Central, which I don't believe I said, and the service to Frome here is a service from Weymouth, which I don't believe I mentioned either. So the two 153s aren't in yet, so we'll catch them as they do come in. Right, coming back around for the 5th time I've seen them today. 153 305 and 153 318. This time we're heading to Bristol Parkway. The 3rd time I've seen them heading to Parkway. The other 2 times I've seen them heading in the opposite direction to Weston-super-Mare. Here it comes. And I believe about to depart now is 2:20:011. And yes, it is departing. So I'll come over and catch it coming out. 2:20:011 to Plymouth from Glasgow Central. And so off it goes to Plymouth. Right, heading off now is 153,305 and 153,308. Heading off to Bristol Parkway from Western-super-Mare. I'll try and catch them coming round the corner here. There it goes in the distance. Off to Bristol Parkway. And there's a service coming in on platform 11. Which I'll see if I can get from here. It's definitely heading off to Gloucester, and it's a green 150. It's 150 something 08. 150 108 it would be, which would be heading off to Gloucester, and from the tunnel announcements, extremely busy as well. And about to depart now is 158,766 and 150,131, which will be heading to Frome. We're starting at Weymouth, I believe. Yes, from Weymouth. Heading off from platform 5. And I'll see if I can catch it as it comes round the corner. Off it goes there to Frome. And we're expecting a service on platform 9, which I believe is a Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central service. So we'll catch that as that comes in shortly. Coming in now on platform 9 is a Cardiff Central service I was talking about a moment ago. And it's 158,959 coming in from Portsmouth Harbour, and the service to Gloucester over on platform 11 is about to depart, which is leaving, but I'm not going to. I don't have a good view of it, so off it went there, off to Gloucester. So let's see what's next, shall we? Right, about to depart from platform 9 is 158,959 with a service to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. Off it goes there, and a cross-country service is just arriving on platform 3, which I shall get in a moment. But let's see 158,959 depart first. Also coming in is a service to Taunton. It's 150,101. which I'm not sure if you heard on the announcements, but it's officially without a toilet, so best hold it in if you go on 150, 101. Okay, let's come over and grab the numbers on the cross country service.
Is 61016. Wheel sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
And this is a service from Penzance to Manchester Piccadilly. And it's 220,030, 220030, which will shortly be heading off to Manchester Piccadilly, and we'll see it go out in a minute. Right, departing platform 3 is 220,030 with a service from Penzance to Manchester Piccadilly, and departing platform 13 is 43164 with a service to London Paddington. Off goes 220,030, and now off goes 43164 to London Paddington, starting here. The HST Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington, and the cross country service is Penzance to Manchester Piccadilly. For 43164, and on the rears 43185 in the Intercity vinyl with a Great Western nameplate, not number plate, nameplate. Off goes 43164 and 43185 to London Paddington. Okay, so we'll see what's next, shall we? Coming in here is 220,024 with a terminating service from Manchester Piccadilly, which is heading down to platform 6. And coming in now on platform 3 is 15238 with a service to Avonmouth, which is a replacement service for a service that has suffered a train fault. Which there it is on platform 3, which we shall get going out shortly. Departing now is a slightly delayed 1403 service to Avonmouth. Departing about 4.5 minutes late. Forms of 15238. 15238 is a replacement train for another one which had broken down earlier, so or at least had a train fault, so it needed to come in as a replacement. So there it went. Right, coming in to Bristol Temple Meads now is the 1421 service to Cardiff Central from Taunton. Coming in there. Let's move over so we can get a better view of it. Coming into stock. Here it is. And it's 15233 coming back. Looking extremely lovely in the green. Here it is, coming in from Taunton. Well, we'll see, and we'll see it heading out in about 10 minutes or so. Right, terminating in now is a service from London Paddington. And it's in reverse formation. Has first classes on the front coming in, which is same for train on platform 15. 43136. Did I see this earlier? Answers on a postcard. 43136 on the front as it terminates, and on the rear is 43133 in reverse formation, terminating in from London Paddington. Coming in now is a service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour, which is 158,952, coming back again. He comes in as I said, 158,952, Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour, and we'll see that heading out shortly. Right, getting ready to depart on platform 3 is 15233 with a service from Taunton to Cardiff Central. Here's a 1421 service, which is heading out about 4 seconds early. Off it goes to Cardiff Central, starting at Taunton, and coming back are our old friends 153,305 and 153,318 for a sixth time today. Twice at Filton Abbey Wood, twice in part 1, and now twice in part 2. Probably for a sixth and last time, and probably last time today. The departing now is 158,952 on his way to Portsmouth Harbour from Cardiff Central. Off it goes 158,952. Off it goes to Portsmouth Harbour, and we're expecting a cross-country service to come into platform 3.
The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 1425 Great Western Railway.
I don't think the cross-country service is ready to come into platform, or is close enough yet. What about the class 153s? Not just yet. So we'll catch it so we'll catch both of them coming in shortly. Right, coming in now. 43378 and 43301 coming back. which is coming back from, where is it again? Coming back from Plymouth. This time on his way to Glasgow Central, which I saw at Filton Abbey Wood earlier today, passing through. And here comes 153-318 and 153-305, which is heading off to Weston-super-Mare from Bristol Parkway, heading into platform 8. Let's come round and see it here. Off to Weston-super-Mare. Next stop, Bedminster. And here's 43-378 and 43-301 off to Glasgow Central from Plymouth. Next stop, Bristol Parkway. Afterwards, Cheltenham Spa and Birmingham New Street. Coming in now is a South West Trains 159. Which is forming the 1441 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. Is a South West Trains 158882, which is on loan from South West Trains to Great Western Railway, and we'll do 1441 service to Great Malvern, run by Great Western Railway, but with a loaned unit from South West Trains. And I'm guessing about to depart shortly is 43-378 and 43-301, with a service to Glasgow Central from Plymouth. So, and any moment now, we will be seeing this. We'll be seeing this service depart. All of the door open lights are off. That means the doors must be locked, so ready to depart. So any moment now, and there's a whistle from the conductors as well. So definitely ready to depart. So I'm just going to leave this running. 43-378 and 43-301 to Glasgow Central. And as I say, I'm going to let this run as it departs. And also out goes 43-086 with a service to London Paddington. (43-378) on the left, 43-186 on the right. 43-301 on the left. And 43-165 Prince Michael of Kent on the right, forming HST services Plymouth to Glasgow and Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. And with that, I'm going to end my Bristol Parkway video here. So thank you guys for watching my both of my videos from Bristol Temple Meads. If I just said Bristol Parkway minutes ago, I meant Bristol Temple Meads. Thank you for watching my Bristol Temple Meads videos, guys. Bristol Temple Meads has been a great station to film at, and definitely a station I would come back to film here again. So with the station building looking extremely great here, and with more platforms added on, and more building added on as well to the station building, housing platforms 3 and 5 here. So I would definitely come back here again. So this has been a great station to film at, and with a great variety of trains as well. And terminating in here is 1:59:16 with a terminating service from Severn Beach. And so, if you have, I should say, if you have like what you have seen here, then please do like and subscribe, and I would really appreciate any comments you do have, so I know what you would like me to film, which stations you would like me to film at in the future. So thank you guys for watching both of my Bristol Temple Meads videos, and so with that, thank you for watching, and my next videos will be part 2 of my Cardiff Central videos, which I film next week, and the next station I'm filming at will be Westbury. So see you all guys in Westbury. Bye guys.